Hey guys, and welcome to a new day at the Nürburgring, and a fun day because today we are actually going to take a race car out on the most famous Nürburgring racetrack, and I am super excited because we actually have a company here which is called Race Rental by Meiser, which have borrowed us a car. They have borrowed us this really cool Hyndai I30 N, and it has like 275 horsepower. It has bucket seats on the inside and a cage. And an important detail that's gonna make this trip really cool, it's a manual. I love manual cars. It's a 6-speed manual and it makes a lot of noise. It's a cool car.
It only weighs like 1200 kilos.
Oh yeah, it weighs 1200 kilos. That's also really cool. So with a weight of 1200 kilos, that's gonna be really fun. It's front-wheel drive. Of course, rear-wheel drive is my preferred drivetrain, but nevertheless, I think it's going to be really cool. We can come to the brakes here. You see those are like 365 with racing pads. It's really cool. And on the interior here, you can see we have some Recaro seats right here with some Recaro belts and stuff. So I think this will be a really cool experience. I am so excited to take this car on track and take you guys with us for the lap, or 2 laps actually. We're going to be driving 2 laps, and the weather is okay right now. It is not raining, so I think the track is going to be dry, even though we have actually been putting rain tires on the car. So it is better traction for rain, so we are of course going to take it slow because I really do not want to have a crash or anything bad, because that's super expensive at the ring. Don't crash. Don't do it. We can take a look at the back. It has a really cool exhaust system. I have next to no experience with these kind of cars, but nevertheless I think this will be really cool. They also do actually have E36 325s, E90 325s. They have a lot of cool cars as well. So if you guys are interested in renting a car on the Nürburgring, definitely go check out Racecar Rentals right here. I will leave the link in the description. Another cool thing is that this company is actually very new. They're like 1 year old. This is their 2nd season on the Nürburgring with the car rentals, so that's pretty cool, and I really like to support the new guys on the block. So go to their website and check out the prices and all the cars they have, and I will guarantee you will have a lot of fun. But now I want to really show you the sound this car makes, because the exhaust makes so much cool noises. Take a listen to this. Okay, buckle in with these Sparko seat belts right here. Actually, let's do like that. Cool, and then tighten it like so, and then we're ready to go. Can you buy that on? This is Sparko, but I want that in my Skyline. That's cool. This will be cool. Let's go.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now we're ready to go.
Alright, man, are you ready?
I am very ready. Are you ready?
I'm fucking ready,
Oh,
man.
this will be very nice.
Oh, the bucket seat's on.
Let me tighten the belt. Needs to be real tight.
Alright, the bucket seat's on, man.
Yeah, needs to be real tight. Everything is in sport. It's good.
Sport Plus.
Sport Plus.
Ja.
Okay. Card.
Kör. Nu är du på fula det nu.
Nice. keep
Fuck
up.
yeah!
Keep up with that.
Keep
Oh.
up with this guy.
He just went out for a lap, so he's more experienced. That was 180.
It felt like 300. So,
damn, that's cool. Very cool.
oh my god, man.
I am so hot and tired in my arms. I'm all sweaty. Oh my god, that's so much fun. Damn, super fun.
I'm glad that we have these belts, man, because I'm like,
Yeah. And we survived! No
we
crash!
survived, no crash! We don't own any more money!
Oh, that's nice, because it would have been extremely expensive.
Okay, because I know some of you maybe not like gonna think like, okay, how bad is it? If you
It's
crash
pretty
this
bad.
car, if you crash this car,
Yeah.
you have to pay
20,000
euros.
20,000 euros.
Yeah.
I don't have 20,000 euros.
But you can take insurance on it for 400 euros though at the company.
And then it's half or something.
no,
less.
you then just paid 2,000 euros. No.
2,000 euros,
Yeah,
yes.
so it's not that bad.
I will have to sell the Skyline. Not good.
And also if you wreck like the maintenance of the track, you have to pay for that too. And I have no clue how much that is. But
It's expensive. It's expensive.
Right.
We got some M2 competition brothers right there. 1 and 2. So cool. How was the track experience?
Track experience? Ooh, my pulse.
Good?
I was like, yeah, I know you crashed before.
True?
Please don't crash here.
Yeah, it went okay, so that's nice. But yeah, now let's find some cool cars.